Now let's have a look at the goal function. We already examined the goal function. Let's just quickly recap. So first of all, we will ask every and each turtle to examine its wealth. If the turtle's wealth is greater than 0, then we will ask that turtle to transact. So when the turtle do transact, which means the turtle will decrease its wealth by 1, and one of the other turtles will increase their wealth by 1. So the transaction is very easy. After the transaction, we will ask every turtle to update its x coordinate, its y coordinate to be fixed to differentiate one turtle by another. But for every turtle at different time, their wealth will be different. So we will use the x coordinate to reflect the wealth difference. So if the wealth change, we update the wealth to the x coordinate. So the x coordinate will change as well. So for every turtle, after the transaction, their wealth will be different. So we say if your wealth, as long as your wealth is below or equal to the maximum value of the patch x coordinates, then we will set your x coordinates to be your wealth value. Okay, so we update its location by using its wealth. Okay, that's goal function. Now let's have a look how these two plots has been made in the original model. And these two plots I made it, but this one belongs to the original model. So first of all, let's look at the wealth distribution. This is a histogram. How to create a histogram? Based on the wealth data, we right click. Sorry, that's the. We right click and we can see the histogram is very easy to make. Just use the function histogram and use the data. The data come from every turtle's wealth. That's it. A histogram is built like this, very easy. And then we will use set plot y range to set the maximum and the minimum y value for this histogram. And we can see that the y value refers to the number of turtles for each wealth number. So setting the maximum value to be 40, assuming it is to assume that for any wealth value, there will be no more than 40 turtle can share the exact same value of wealth. So that's just an assumption, okay? Arbitrary assumption. So this is how we create histogram. And how do we create multiple line plots? That is easy too. We just use plots and put a value behind. So this way, as time goes, we will plot the value onto the plots. So every tick, there will be one value be plotted for the red line, one value be plotted for the blue line. That's how we do it.